C major to G major. Here we go. Eighth note strums. We're going to land on beat 1, okay? 1, 2. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3. Back to C now. 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3, 4. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 2 E and a. Get ready for that G. All those strings ring out. 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 1. Yes, yes indeed.